Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel, we teach Igbo language. In this channel, we learn how to speak Igbo language. If you're a beginner and you want to learn how to speak Igbo, this channel is for you. Anything you want to know about Igbo, you'll find it in this channel. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you always be the first to see it. Let's go. In this video, we are going to be learning names of animals in Igbo language. Names of animals like dog, cow, horse. We're going to be knowing what is called in Igbo language in this video. Keep watching. Dog. What is dog in Igbo language? Dog is called nkita. Dog is called nkita. Dog is called nkita. That is dog. Nkita. 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 That is dog. Nkita. Nkita is dog. Nkita is dog. Cow. Cow. Cow is called ehi. Ehi. That is cow. Ehi. Ehi. That is cow. Ehi. Ehi. That is cow. Ehi. Goat. Goat is called ewu. 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 That is goat. Ewu. 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 That is goat. Ewu. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken is called okuko. 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 That is chicken. Okuko. Chicken. Okuko. Rabbit. Rabbit is called okay. Rabbit is called okay. Rabbit is called okay. Okay. That is rabbit. Okay. Okay. That is rabbit. Lion. Lion is called odum. Lion is called odum. Lion is called odum. 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 That is lion. Odum. Odum. That is lion. Horse. Horse is called ịnyịnya. Ịnyịnya. That is horse. Horse is called ịnyịnya. Ịnyịnya. That is horse. Ịnyịnya. Ịnyịnya. That is horse. Tortoise. Tortoise is called mbe. Mbe. That is tortoise. Mbe. Tortoise is called mbe. Mbe. Tortoise is called mbe. That is tortoise. House fly. House fly. House fly is called ijiji. House fly is called ijiji. House fly is called ijiji. Ijiji. That is house fly. Ijiji. Snake. Snake. Snake is agwo. Snake is agwo. Snake is agwo. That is snake, agwo. Python. Python. Python is eke. Python is eke. That is python, eke. 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 That is python, eke. Duck. Duck. Duck is called obogu. Duck is called obogu. Obogu. That is duck. Obogu. Obogu. That is duck. Obogu. Obogu. That is duck. Pigeon. Pigeon is called nduru. That is pigeon. Nduru. Nduru. That is pigeon. Pigeon is called nduru. 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 That is pigeon. Donkey. Donkey. Donkey is called Jackie. Donkey is called Jackie. Donkey is called Jackie. 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 That is donkey. Jackie. What is called lizard? Lizard. Lizard is called ngwere. Ngwere. That is lizard. Ngwere. Ngwere. That is lizard. Ngwere. Lizard. Ngwere. Fish. Fish is azo. Fish. Azo. Azo. That is fish. Azo. Fish is azo. Azo. That is fish. Azo. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you always be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.